a writer. I write travel articles, food articles, and articles about nonprofits trying to save the world. And I do a lot of interviews on the phone, and I do a lot of interviews in person. I first learned about the LiveScribe pen from my boyfriend, who is very into gadgets, and he's like, "Oh, this is great, you know, you've got this thing and you can record sound," and I'm like, I don't know if I can handle that. But then I got completely addicted. It's great. My notes before LiveScribe are filled with partial thoughts, half sentences, and things I just couldn't get down. And with LiveScribe, I can go back to the notes and just plop the pen on there, and the audio from that second is repeated back for me. You've got it. All you have to do is put the pen to the paper, you know, 3 weeks later, and it's all there and it's back in your head again. When you're talking to somebody who's done something amazing halfway around the world and they're telling you things and it's spur of the moment and you want to capture that energy, you can't ask them, "Could you repeat that? Could you just remember exactly what you just said?" You can't do it. So when you have the pen, you have that immediacy right there, and it makes the article more powerful, and it makes the entire interview so much more comfortable to do, and it's more fun for everybody because I get to concentrate on talking to the person instead of writing like mad and staring at the paper. My name's Lauren Van Mullum. That's my LiveScribe story.